Have you ever pondered over the immense potential of artificial intelligence in generating income? Well, it's time to delve into this fascinating world where technology meets finance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a groundbreaking technology that imitates human intelligence. Its applications span across multiple domains such as web design, content generation, online courses, freelance coding, affiliate marketing, AI-powered products, AI integration, AI consulting, and even investment in AI-focused businesses or funds. To make money with artificial intelligence, it becomes imperative to acquaint oneself with its intricacies. Websites, blogs, videos, podcasts, books, and online courses can serve as valuable resources. It's essential to grasp the different types of AI, its uses, benefits, challenges, and future prospects. Familiarity with the necessary tools, languages, frameworks, and platforms for working with AI is also crucial. Once armed with this knowledge, it's time to choose one or more methods to make money with AI based on personal interests, skills, experience, and goals. Here are some ways to engage with AI. Create AI-driven content. AI-based tools can be used to generate content for various formats like blog posts, social media captions, YouTube scripts, and so forth. This content can be monetized through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate links, or other methods. Use AI in web design. AI-based website builders can be employed to create professional and appealing websites with ease. These websites can be used to promote a business, service, product, or brand. Create online courses using AI. Knowledge and skills can be shared with others by creating online courses using AI. These courses can be sold on various platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, and others. Freelance coding with AI. Freelance projects involving coding with AI can be undertaken. Clients can be provided with AI-based solutions such as chatbots, image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Become an affiliate for AI products. Affiliate programs for AI-powered products can be joined to sell AI-related products and services. To sum up, making money with AI involves understanding the technology, choosing a suitable method based on interest and skills, and then executing it effectively. From creating AI-driven content and applying AI to web design, to creating online courses with AI and freelancing code with AI. The opportunities are endless. Even becoming a product affiliate for AI can be a lucrative option. Remember, the key is to keep learning, experimenting, and adapting to the rapidly evolving world of AI.